Okay, dear students, in previous class we discussed about tangent plane in sphere. Today we discuss about plane section of a sphere. Plane section of a sphere means it is a circle. Plane section of a sphere is a circle. Now we have to prove how to prove it is a circle. So we have one theorem. A plane section of a sphere is a circle. Plane section of a sphere is a circle. Let a plane pi cut a sphere of radius r and center c. Pi అనే తలం r వ్యాసార్థం మరియు c కేంద్రం కలిగినటువంటి గోళాన్ని ఖండించినప్పుడు మనకి ఈ విధంగా ఏర్పడుతుంది. ఇది ఇక్కడ ఈ పటం ద్వారా. సో దిస్ లైన్ ఈజ్ ఏ ప్లేన్. నౌ దిస్ ప్లేన్ ఈజ్ cut this sphere of radius with r and center c. So here c is the center and r is the radius of the sphere. So let p be on the plane section. Let p is any point on the plane section. We claim that locus of p is a circle. We claim that the locus of p is a circle. Let n be the foot of the perpendicular draw from c to the plane pi. తలం పైకి n ను గోళ కేంద్రం నుంచి గీచినటువంటి ఒక లంబ పాదం అని అనుకుందాం. So here n be the foot of the perpendicular draw from c to the plane. So therefore here np equal to, so now joint this two. Now joint this two. So this is this two. This is the p. This is the np. Np equal to what here? From triangle CPN. From triangle CPN. So np equal to root of cp square minus cn square. Root of cp square minus cn square from triangle. But cp square equal to here. Cp equal to r. Cp is the distance between the, cp is the radius of the sphere. Because of p is the on the circle, here c is the center of the sphere. So cp is the denoted radius of the sphere. So cp equal to r. So r square minus cn square, which is the constant. ఇది అనేది ఒక స్థిరాంకాన్ని సూచిస్తుంది. Hence the locus of p is a circle with center n and radius equal. Radius is root of r square minus cn square. Cn square. Now one note here. Now one note. This section of a sphere by a plane through its center is known as a great circle, and center and radius of great circle are the same as that of the sphere. This section of a sphere by a plane through its center. Section of a తలం అనేది గోళ కేంద్రం గుండా పోతే దాన్ని మనం గురువృత్తం అని అంటాం. తలం అనేది గోళ కేంద్రం గుండా పోతే దాన్ని మనం గురువృత్తం అని అంటాం. సో ఇఫ్ ఎనీ ప్లేన్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ ఇట్స్ సెంటర్ is known as great circle. So and the center and radius of the great circle are the same as that of the sphere. గోళ కేంద్రము మరియు గురువృత్తం యొక్క కేంద్రము మరియు వ్యాసార్థములు కూడా అన్ని సమానంగా ఉంటాయి, ఒకే విధంగా ఉంటాయి. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్లేన్ ఈస్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ ది సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పియర్. గోళ కేంద్రం గుండా పోతున్నటువంటి తలం. సో ఇఫ్ ది కర్వ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బి ప్లేన్, the curve of intersection plane, the curve of intersection of a sphere by a plane is circle. Hence a circle be represented by two equations, and being the equation of the equation of a sphere S and the other plane phi, hence S equal to 0 and pi equal to 0 given by together represent a circle S plus lambda pi equal to 0. Now once again I am repeating here, a curve of intersection of a sphere, a curve intersection of a sphere by a plane is a circle. ఒక గోళం మరియు తలం ఆ రెండు ఖండించుకుంటున్నప్పుడు ఏర్పడేటువంటిది మనకు ఒక వృత్తం ఏర్పడుతుంది. హెన్స్ ఈ సర్కిల్ కెన్ బి రిప్రజెంటెడ్ బై టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్. సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ను మనం రెండు సమీకరణాలతోటి సూచిస్తాం. సో ది ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ స్ఫియర్ అండ్ ది అదర్ ప్లేన్ పై. So hence S equal to 0 and pi equal to 0 given together represent a circle. S equal to 0 మరి pi equal to 0 ఈ రెండు కూడా మనకు ఒక వృత్త సమీకరణాన్ని సూచిస్తుంది. Given together represents a circle. So now I am giving one note here. S equal to, let S equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0 and pi equal to ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Then s plus lambda equal to 0. S plus lambda pi equal to 0, where pi is a constant, represents the equation of a sphere passing through the circle given by s equal to 0 and pi equal to 0. For S plus lambda pi equal to 0 represents a sphere. Further, S equal to lambda pi equal to 0 is satisfied by the points common to S equal to 0 and pi equal to 0. So, S equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. Mari pi equal to ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. S అనేది ఒక గోళ సమీకరణాన్ని, పై అనేది ఒక తల సమీకరణాన్ని సూచించినప్పుడు S ప్లస్ లాంబ్డా పై ఈక్వల్ టు 0, S ప్లస్ లాంబ్డా పై ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అనున్నది ఒక గోళ సమీకరణాన్ని సూచిస్తుంది. ఎప్పుడు ఇది వృత్తం గుండా పోవుచున్నటువంటి గోళ సమీకరణం. S ప్లస్ లాంబ్డా పై ఈక్వల్ టు 0. So now another note, two intersection spheres also determine a circle. రెండు గోళాలు కూడా ఛేదించుకున్నప్పుడు మనకు ఒక వృత్తం ఏర్పడుతుంది. For if S equal to 0 and S1 equal to 0 represents two spheres. If S equal to 0 మరియు S1 equal to 0 రెండు గోళాలను సూచిస్తే then S minus S pi, then S minus S1 equal to 0, then S minus S1 equal to 0 is a first equation in XYZ and length represents a plane. S minus S1 equal to 0 is అనేది ఒక మొదటి తరగతి ఒక తల సమీకరణాన్ని సూచిస్తుంది. So S equal to 0 and S1 equal to 0 or S1 equal to 0 and S minus S1 equal to determine a circle. So now we have solved some problems here. మనం కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసుకుందాం. Problem 1, find the equation of the sphere. With center 1, -1, 2 and radius 3. Find the equation of the sphere 1, -1, 2 and radius is there. So what is the here given in the problem? Center is given and radius is given. Center means here a, b, c equal to 1, -1, 2 and radius r equal to 3. But we have formula. So a, b, c is the center and radius is r. The equation of the sphere is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square equal to r square. So now substitute in that formula, a equal to 1, b equal to -1, c equal to 2 and r equal to 3. We get the equation of the sphere. So the required equation is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus of minus. So y plus 1 whole square plus z minus 1 whole square equal to 3 square. Now expand that the equation, we get the equation of sphere. So x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 2y minus 4z minus 3 equal to 0. So now another problem. Obtain the equation of the sphere. Obtain the equation of the sphere having its center at the point, having its center at the point 6 comma minus 1 comma 2 and touching the plane 2x minus y plus 2z equal to 0. So obtain the equation of the sphere having its center at the point 6 comma minus 1 comma 2 and touching the plane 2x minus y plus 2z equal to 0. So how to get the equation of sphere? So గోళ సమీకరణాన్ని కనుగొనాలంటే మనకు గోళ కేంద్రం తెలిసి ఉండాలి మరియు అదే విధంగా వ్యాసార్థం తెలిసి ఉండాలి. సో ఇక్కడ వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ గివెన్ స్ఫియర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఇట్స్ సెంటర్ అట్ ది పాయింట్. సో సెంటర్ పాయింట్ ఇచ్చాడు మనకు. సెంటర్ పాయింట్ is 6 comma minus 1 comma 2, but here we have no radius of the sphere. So but here given is the plane equation, but the plane equation is touching the sphere at 6 comma minus 1 comma 2. ఆ బిందువు వద్ద plane equation అనేది మనకు కనిపిస్తుంది. So now since the planes touch the spheres, the radius r is the perpendicular distance from the center. ఈ గోళ కేంద్రం నుంచి ఈ మనకు ఈ తలం ఎక్కడైతే గోళాన్ని టచ్ చేస్తుందో అక్కడ ఆ గోళ కేంద్రం నుంచి ఇది లంబంగా ఉంటుంది. సో ది రేడియస్ r is perpendicular to the distance to the plane. So 2x. So we have the formula. Perpendicular distance from the any point, we have the formula. Therefore here r equal to plus or minus mod ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square is the formula of the perpendicular distance. So now I am here substituting here 2 is the coefficient of x in plane. So 2 minus 1 2 are the direction ratios of plane equations. So 2 into 6 minus of minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2 minus 2. So minus 2 is the d, constant d. So by root of 2 square plus 1 square plus this. So equal to 12 plus 1 plus 1 minus 2 by root 9 equal to 15 by 3 equal to 5. So therefore if 5 is the radius of the sphere, so therefore the equation of the sphere is x minus 6 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square plus z minus 2 whole square equal to 5 square. Now expand this equation, we get the equation of sphere. So that is x square plus y square plus z square minus 12x minus 4z plus 16 equal to 0. This is the required equation of sphere. So now another problem. Find the equation of this sphere passing through the points 0 0 0 1 comma 0 0 0 comma 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 0 comma 1. So here 4 points is given. Find the equation of sphere. So now we have the general equation of the sphere. So we know general form of the equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So now it passes through the origin. So now this equation is passes through the origin. So that means in place of x, y, z equal to substitute 0. So we get here d equal to 0. So the point 1 comma 0 comma 0 lies on the sphere. So the sphere equation is also passes through the 1 comma 0 comma 0. So in place of x equal to substitute 1, in place of y, z equal to 0. So we get here 1 plus 2u plus d equal to 0. So and hence equal to here d equal to already we know 0. So d equal to 0. So therefore u equal to minus 1 by 2. So similarly the point 0 comma 1 comma 0 lies on the sphere and 1 plus 2v plus d equal to 0. Hence, v equal to minus 1 by 2. So the point, last point, fourth point is the point 0, 0, 1 lies on the sphere. And so 1 plus 2w plus d equal to 0. And hence w equal to minus 1 by 2. So therefore, the equation of the sphere. We know here u, v, w and d. So now substitute the equation of general equation of the sphere equation. So the general equation of the sphere equation is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So here u equal to minus 1 by 2, u equal to v equal to w equal to minus 1 by 2 and d equal to 0. Now substitute here, we get here the required sphere equation. So that is x square plus y square plus z square minus x minus y minus z equal to 0. ఇదే మనకు కావాల్సినటువంటి ఒక గోళ సమీకరణాన్ని సూచిస్తుంది. So now solve the another problem here. Find the equation of the sphere passing through the points 1, 1, 2, minus 1, 1, 2 and having the center of the sphere on the line. X plus y minus z minus 1 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus z minus 2. సో ఈ రెండు బిందువుల గుండా పోతూ గోళ కేంద్రం ఈ తలం పైన ఉన్నప్పుడు గోళ సమీకరణాన్ని కనుగొనండి అంటున్నాడు. సో ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పియర్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ ది 2 పాయింట్స్ అండ్ హ్యావింగ్ ద సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పియర్ ఆన్ ద 2 plane equations. Now let the equation of the sphere be, let the equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vw plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So now this equation passes through the point. First point is 1, 1, minus 2 and minus 1, 1, 2. So therefore here now substitute the inequation sphere. So x equal to 1, y equal to 1, z equal to minus 2. So 1 plus 4 plus 2u plus 2v minus 4w plus d equal to 0. Therefore 2u plus 2v minus 4w plus d equal to minus 6. So 1 plus 4, 6 equal to minus 6. So similarly this equation is passes through the minus 1, 1, 2. Minus 1, 1, 2. So we get here minus 2u plus 2v plus 4w plus d equal to minus 6. But center of this equation, center of the general equation of the sphere, minus u minus v minus w. So this center is lies on the plane equations. They lies on the line determined by the 2 planes. So x plus y plus z minus z equal to minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore minus u minus v plus w equal to 1. So and 2x minus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. So that is minus 2u plus v minus w equal to 2. So now we get here 4 equations in u, v, w, d. So equation, now solve the equation 1, equation 2. So now I am doing here 1 minus 2. I am doing here 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 means plus 2u minus 2u cancel. 1 minus 2 plus 2u minus of minus plus 2u 4u. So 2v minus 2v cancel. Minus of minus 8w equal to 0. So here plus d minus 6 both are also cancel. So 4u minus 8w equal to 0. So from equation 5 we get here u equal to 2w. So 4u equal to 8w, u equal to 2w. So therefore 3 and 4 become from 3 and 4 we become here minus u minus w minus v equal to 1. So from 3 and 4 u equal to w. So minus w minus v equal to 1. So therefore minus 5w plus v equal to 2. From 6 and 7, we get here w equal to from 6 and 7. From 6 and 7, so we get w equal to minus 1 by 2, v equal to minus 1 by 2. So from 3, we get u equal to minus 1. And from 1, we get d equal to minus 5. Now we have to solve 1, 2, 3, 4 from solving for u, v, w and d. We get the u, v, w, d values. Now after that you can substitute the u, v, w and d values in equation of this sphere. So we get the equation of this sphere, general equation of this sphere. So that is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 5 minus z minus 5 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of sphere. So now we go to another problem. Find the equation of the sphere passing through the circle. X square plus y square plus z square minus 4 equal to 0, comma 2x plus 4y plus 6z equal to minus 1 equal to 0, having its center on the plane x plus y plus z equal to 6. Find the equation of the sphere. So what is here given? Circle equation is here. Circle equation means s equal to 0 and pi equal to 0. So both are represents a circle equation. So but we know equation of sphere is s plus lambda pi equal to 0. So the equation of the sphere passing through the circle determined by the sphere and the plane is given by s plus lambda pi equal to 0. So s means here x square plus y square plus z square minus 4 plus lambda of 2x plus 4y plus 6z minus 1 equal to 0. Now I am writing on order x square plus y square plus z square minus 4, 2 lambda x plus 4 lambda y plus 6 lambda z minus 4 minus lambda equal to 0. So now center of this equation is lambda minus 3 lambda, because of now compare this equation with the general equation of this sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux. Here 2ux means here u equal to lambda, and v equal to 2 lambda, and w equal to 6 lambda. So we know the center of minus u minus v minus w. So lambda comma minus 2 lambda comma minus 3 lambda is the center. But this center lies on the plane. So plane equation is also given in the problem, x plus y plus z equal to 6. So but this center lies on the plane. Now substitute in plane equation this center. In place of x equal to lambda, y equal to minus 2 lambda, z equal to minus 6 lambda. So lambda minus 2 lambda minus 3 lambda equal to 6, and minus 6 lambda equal to 6. So therefore lambda equal to minus 1. Now substitute the lambda equal to minus 1 in equation 1. Or s plus lambda pi equal to 0. We get the equation of the sphere. So that is here x square plus y square plus z square minus 4 minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z minus 3 equal to 0. This is the required equation of sphere. So now another problem. Show that the sphere s equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. We'll cut the spheres s1 equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 equal to 0 in a great circle if 2u1, 2v1 plus 2w1 minus of d plus d1 equal to 2r1 square, where 2r1 square, where r1 is the radius of the latter sphere. So now here two sphere equations are given. So first sphere equation is s equal to 0 and second sphere equation is given s1 equal to 0. But the plane pi determined by s equal to 0 and s1 equal to 0 is s minus s1 equal to 0 and it is pi. It is pi. Now s minus s1 equal to what here? Pi map 2 of u minus u1 of x plus 2 of v minus v1 of y plus 2 of w minus w1 of z plus d minus d1 equal to 0. So the intersection of a spheres s equal to 0 and s1 equal to 0 will be a great circle if the center minus u1 minus v1 minus w1 of s1 equal to 0 lies on the plane pi equal to 0 because of it is a great circle. Great circle means a plane is passes through the center of the sphere. So that's why it is called a great circle. So great circle means center of the sphere and center of the great circle are same. So center of the s1 minus u1 minus v1 minus w1 lies on the plane pi equal to 0. Now substitute in plane equation 2 of u minus u1 of u1 plus v2 of v minus v1 of v1 plus 2 of w minus w1 plus d minus d1 equal to 0. So here multiply with u1 2u u1 plus 2v v1 plus 2w w1 plus d minus d1. Here 2 minus 2 u1 square minus v1 square minus w1 square equal to 0. So 2u u1 2v v1 plus 2w w1 equal to 2 of u1 square v1 square w1 square plus d minus d1. So here u1 square v1 square w1 square minus d1 is the r1 square So 2 of r1 square plus d1 plus d minus d1. Since here r1 is the radius of the s1 equal to 0. R1 is the radius of the s1 equal to 0. So therefore 2r1 square plus d plus d1 plus d plus d1. So therefore 2u1 plus 2v1 plus 2w1 minus of d plus d1 equal to 2r1 square. It is the proof of the problem. It is the solution of this problem.